Amid rising political tensions in South Africa, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party is moving to form a strategic alliance with the South African Communist Party in a bid to challenge President Cyril Ramaphosa's government of national unity, the GNU. The move, if successful, could reshape South Africa's political landscape and redefine the dynamics of the governing African National Congress and its tripartite allies, the SACP and COSATU. Dlamulo Ndlela, the spokesperson of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, disclosed that informal discussions with the SACP leaders have been underway for months and are gaining momentum. He told the Sunday World publication that we are exploring how an alliance could challenge the GNU, which we believe is undermining the interests of the masses and the working class. According to Ndlela, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party envisions a coalition of progressive parties to counteract what he describes as Ramaphosa's white rule agenda, which he claims prioritizes elite interests over the needs of the broader population. The potential alliance comes as the SACP itself voices frustrations with the government of national unity. In an interview with the Sunday World Engage, the SACP leader Solly Mapaila made a remark and said it will be foolhardy not to engage with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. This consideration comes after the SACP's Central Executive Committee resolved to explore forming a broad leftist coalition known as a Popular Left Front to challenge the current government framework. While no formal talks have occurred, Ndlela's statements mark a growing openness between the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and the SACP. He criticized Ramaphosa, accusing him of forming the coalition with the Democratic Alliance to evade accountability, particularly in light of the Phala scandal, where large sums of the US dollars were found at Ramaphosa's game farm. Ndlela contends that Ramaphosa's alliance with the DA serves as a shield against potential impeachment and that the majority of the ANC's National Executive Committee is tired of the so-called unity government, which feels like an insult, especially given how the DA fails to demonstrate a truly unified front. He called for a coalition of black and patriotic parties that will better serve the working class. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party's exploration of an alliance with the SACP is seen as a natural progression due to shared historical ties between their leaders and members. Dr. John Hlophe, the deputy president of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, recently hinted at support for the SACP, adding fuel to speculations about the coalition. Ndlela said that if you read between the lines of Dr. Hlophe's statement, you'll see that we are essentially signaling support for the Communist Party. COSATU, a key ally in the ANC Tripartite Alliance, has not been ruled out as a potential partner in the coalition. In a statement on October 17, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party called for unity among left-wing political groups, grassroots movements, and traditional unions. The statement criticized the current coalition framework as neoliberal agenda led by the DA, which the Umkhonto weSizwe Party claims undermines the interest of the working class. Similarly, the SACP expressed strong disapproval of the GNU in its October 13 statement, calling it a class collaboration or elite pact that weakens its alliance with the ANC and COSATU. The party cited stalled education reforms and delays in implementing national health insurance as evidence of this elite pact. The SACP is now committed to forming a powerful socialist movement for workers and the poor, warning that it can no longer rely solely on changes from within the alliance. Mapaila revealed that the SACP has previously engaged in coalition discussions with the economic freedom fighters, though these talks stalled after former EFF Deputy President Floyd Shivambu joined the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The SACP has also held discussions with the Pan-Africanist Congress, underscoring its openness to collaborating with groups opposed to capital. Mapaila said that the unity of African people is crucial, particularly now as almost 4 centuries of struggle are being rolled back by political error. We will never shut the door on engaging with any of those forces. As informal discussions gain momentum, the Umkhonto we Party and SACP's potential alliance could represent a historic shift in South African politics, challenging the very fabric of the current coalition government. The weeks and months ahead may reveal whether these talks lead to a formal coalition, and if so, where it could become a formidable force against Ramaphosa's GNU. That's your take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.